is my makeup for today. Oh. Love.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Good morning, my friend. It feels so nice to finally pick up my camera and start talking to you guys. How have you been? I know it's been a long time since I last posted. I took a little break for myself. Now I'm officially back and you can expect weekly vlog again. I don't know, I feel like the older I get, the more emotional I got. But also when I was on my way home from the airport, I was also excited because I figured, hey, I got to live by myself again. I feel like my face is glowing because I have been using this combo that I really like and I'm about to show you. I have been using this toner from Pierre Rocher. Oh my god, I'm practicing my French, so don't laugh at me. I hope I pronounced it correctly. Pierre Rocher. Let it sit for a couple minutes. Then I'm going to use this mask from Pierre Rocher as well. Comes with like this little silicone bow and this little silicone brush, which I think is really cute and nice. Apply it to my face. Forehead. Guys, I'm thinking about bleaching my eyebrow again. Now, I feel like in summer, I always have this urge to dye my hair. But I know it's just like really bad for my hair right now. I'm just gonna, you know, maybe bleach my eyebrows instead. So I normally just use this like 2 to 3 times a week. All of this is gonna become transparent. Okay, so 20 minutes later, you can tell it's already became transparent. Now I'm going to massage it into my skin. You don't need to rinse it. I'm going for a walk. This is my OOTD. All Skims, the row. No makeup. I have been trying to go out for a walk in the morning whenever I can, and it's truly the best thing, especially when the weather isn't too hot. So chill. Let me show you what I'm wearing to do my nails. So this is a set from Skims. I'm just wearing a nice sandal. Got my Constance with me, and I did like really minimal makeup, as you can tell. I am wearing the sunnies from Chloe. Love this. Guys, it's so pleasant to walk in the city when the weather is nice. I'm here. I'm heading to the sauna.
Baby, you get your way.
出超级多汗，我脸上。 近在喝 oat milk 配 soy milk。
Voila!
Guys, so I am currently sorting out my shoe rack. I find cleaning and organizing incredibly therapeutic. It makes me feel like I'm taking good care of the things I own and creating a space that reflects how I want to live. Clean, cozy, and full of intention. There's something so comforting about coming home or waking up to a space that feels peaceful and well cared for. Hi guys, so I just got changed. This is my makeup for today. I am wearing this Skims tank top. 裤子仍旧是 Ralph Lauren Polo by Ralph Lauren， 我觉得超级的好看，而且它非常的舒服，然后走起来就是会有点飘飘的感觉。今天背了这个包包，我觉得很多东西还是要拿出来用一用会比较好，所以今天背了这只包包。My look for today。天气超好哎。This outdoor seating is really cute.
Yes, a truffle pizza. Yes, with burrata. 好香